How to set up OBS for streaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can set up OBS for streaming. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you have OBS Studio application installed on a computer and then you would like to set it up for streaming, it's relatively quite very simple to do so. Once you open up OBS, first of all, from the bottom right, we're going to go to settings. Now, once we go to settings, we have to customize a couple of options. First of all, you can go to stream, and depending upon which service you'd like to stream on, let's say Twitch, for example, you first need to make sure to connect your account. Once you've done that, you can navigate to the output section. Both for streaming and recording, you have a set of options available. So depending upon what options and what kind of quality you want, you can actually go ahead and then customize those options. Click the apply option from the bottom right to save the changes, and this way you should be able to set up your OBS Studio for streaming. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.